Can you send the link?
Yes, bacha, wait a minute. I'm just posting the link in the classroom, children, and the chat box.
Ma'am, you can send the chat box.
Yeah. Do it very slowly, very carefully. There is no hurry. Nobody is going to submit the paper before 10, even if you have finished. Good morning,
Ma'am,
Isha. Yes, Anushka.
ma'am, I want to ask you that we have to write all the letters small.
Hmm.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't think you've sent the link in the classroom.
No,
Ma'am, ma'am, are you going to check it manually?
yeah.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the question in where we can see and speak or no, not.
Which one? 1 minute, Ayush, 1 minute.
See and speak or not.
Let me just paste it in the class. Yeah. What is your question, Ayush? Which one?
Tomorrow we can see and say, speak, or we have to learn and speak.
Very good question to be asked on that day.
Usually you don't allow us to see, but I'm just asking.
No. So when you know that I don't allow you to see and speak, so I don't allow.
Okay.
That doesn't make sense, no? Then it will become a reading class. You're reading. You're not seeing, you're reading. And I had put a note in the classroom yesterday also about the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, I've posted the assignment link. The assessment link. Please start doing. I've posted it in the classroom also, and I'm posting it here as well. Start doing the assessment quickly. And everybody has to come prepared for the speaking skills class tomorrow. Everyone has to join at the same time, 12:30, because I want you to hear out what other children are saying.
Mom, I
Somebody
can't see the link.
talking.
I'm refreshing 5 times.
What, Ayush?
I've refreshed it 5 to 6 times. I can't see the link.
I've already posted at 9:29,
Ma'am, I got it.
Ayush. It's 9:31.
Yeah, that is in class.
Wait, I'll open classroom then.
Nobody is going to submit the assessment, please. Everyone will
Ma'am,
submit.
am I visible?
No.
Now.
There. Yeah. Now.
Ma'am, which we have to.
Kevna, I can't hear you, but your voice is cracking. Everybody got the link for the assessment. Anyone who's not able to find the link for the assessment, please
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Karnav, tell
Ma'am, we
me.
have to write all letters capital or.
Small, small, small.
Okay.
And don't worry about that because
Ma'am,
I'm checking it manually.
what's the meaning of cuddly?
Cuddling?
Well, CUDDLELY in the fourth question. First page, fourth question.
1 minute. Fourth question. Which one? Fourth question.
Yes, ma'am.
It says which word best describes the we.
Ma'am,
We.
what's the meaning of cuddly? In that,
You don't cuddle your mama.
Colonel?
You don't cuddle your mama.
No, cuddle meaning I don't know.
You give a hug to mama, and
Okay, okay.
that's cuddling. A soft hug. Vedi? Vedi?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do it carefully, beta. And
Yes.
don't submit it.
Yes.
And there is a notice writing in the end. If you want, you can write it in the notebook and email me the picture. Or do you want me to make an assignment section where you can post the pictures?
Ma'am, make a assignment section.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, make an assignment.
Ma'am, which picture?
There is a
Of the
notice
notice
writing
writing.
in the paper. Okay, there is a notice writing in the paper. So you have to attach your pictures there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Notice writing. Yes, Nishika?
What time can we submit?
10.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, can you send the link once more?
Yeah. Wait.
I was left and my in my form the draft was not able to save.
Fine. I've sent the link. How come there are 31 people today? Amazing. I mean, no one is absent today.
Ma'am, 30 are students and 1 are you.
Anushka is logged in twice. Dhyan, Shalya. Where are you? Dhyan. Dhyan, Shalya. Daksh Patel. Switch on your cameras. Daksh Patel, switch on your camera. Dhyan, Shalya. I'm removing you. And I'm not going to give you marks for your assessment. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush.
ma'am, the last page, I think, wait.
Give me the question number.
Ma'am, last page, question number 22, 1 and 22 के बीच में जो question in the middle.
21. Yeah, tell me.
So, ma'am, in between of 21 and 22, write sentences using the picture prompts of are going to. For example, he is going to get up at 6 o'clock. So I didn't understand.
Which is the first picture?
Yes, ma'am, I understood that we have to make sentences.
So now you write a sentence taking in account the second picture and using going to, which is future tense.
Okay, got it.
Got it?
Excuse me. Ma'am,
All of the 4 sentences have to be done like this. You can write anything in it, taking in account the picture, but going to should be there because this is an exercise on future tense. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write all the in small letters, na?
Yeah.
I'm not completely small letters. First has to be capital, right? Because
See,
it's a
this
sentence.
paper is going to be checked manually, so don't be bothered about it. Just concentrate that what you're writing is right.
Ma'am, in the notice writing, we have to
Shivna
write.
can't hear you, beta.
Ma'am, in the notice writing, there is a blank. So what we have to write in that?
In notice,
Like we have to write.
in notice writing, you're saying?
Ma'am, one minute, na? I'll connect to the better way.
I can't hear you, beta.
And what do we have to write in notice? What do we have to do in notice writing? The last question.
You have to write a notice.
Like a letter.
My God.
Ma'am, in
God.
the Google form itself.
You people don't listen only, no, when I give instructions. I said, all of you stop doing your test. All of you. Stop it. I can't repeat the same instructions 31 times.
Right? Okay.
Notice writing is what? Is it like an alien language to you all, Migdad? You being the first one, what do we have to do in notice writing? Do we have to write a letter? Where
Like,
have
what
you
do we
come
have
from,
to
Bas?
write? I understand that we have to give a notice that there is a fair.
Yeah, so you use the information which is given in the question and you frame a notice according to the format of the notice that we have done in class. Do you remember or not? What was the format of the notice?
I remember.
Box and all, right? So what you have to do it, the last question, you have to do it in your notebook. Okay? And then click a picture and then post it in the assignment in the class. I have made an assignment.
And ma'am, we have to write done in the Google form, right?
Yeah.
No.
Done. Okay. Got it, all of you? Now you can continue with what you were doing. You people are behaving as if I'm talking in alien language. Strange. I've posted the assignment in English literature.
Ma'am, we have to write in the Google form, na? Or where?
Who is this?
Ayush.
Ayush.
Ma'am, I still didn't understand.
Huh? What?
I didn't understand what you said.
Why? Which language was I talking in? French? You have to write the notice in your notebook, take a picture, and post it in the classroom.
Okay, and what about the dash then? We have to write nothing?
Done. Done.
Done.
Just
Okay.
like that. Yes, Ekansh, what was your question?
Ma'am, in the last page, 24th question, picture 4. What's the picture 4?
Picture 4 is of food. It is
Okay.
cereals, it is milk, banana, peaches.
Ma'am, I have also the same question only, but
What is now?
in this we can also write breakfast.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Since all these activities are talking about morning, you can write breakfast. Anything, you can write anything. Just keep in mind that you have to use the word going to. Okay?
Ma'am, we can write he or she anything in the first one.
Yeah, anything.
Ma'am, can we use the black pen to write?
What, Anushka? Couldn't get you, bacha.
Can we use a black pen when it's compulsory the blue pen?
Any pen.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am, in page number 4,
Question number. Give me the question number, please.
ma'am, there are 4 pages. The 4th page, that write sentence using the picture prompts and going to, for example, he is going to, ma'am, that one, in that, what is the 4th one picture related to? Means what's the picture of 4th?
I just told Samriddhi and someone else.
Ekansh.
I can't. It is food. Rudra,
Okay.
it is food, no? Food items are there in the picture.
Ma'am, is it like breakfast? That one. In the sentence, you have to make that 4th one.
What, Yash?
Ma'am, isn't it breakfast in the 4th one?
Yeah, you can write anything.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done the 25th question. So in the 26th question, I should write done and submit it and then work on it, or first I would work on it then submit it.
No, you can
Ma'am,
mark it as right done.
Ma'am, in notice writing, we have to write in notebook, na?
Yes, Lakshya.
Yeah.
Yeah. in the notebook. It is to be done in the notebook and then posted in the class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in the last question, it's compulsory to write any something. So in the Google form, so I'm just writing
Done.
you.
Just type done.
Mama, I have written done in notebook.
Ha, no problem.
I'm submit and now I'm working on it in the notebook. I will send it.
Fine.
I'll be sending it. And where do I have to send you the?
I posted an assignment just now. So it will be on top only.
Send it right
Just
there.
refresh. It says English assignment.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I submit?
Have you finished? Yeah, you can submit.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, in that right sentences one, we have to write with going. Means we have to, in sentence, we have to add going.
Going to. Read the question properly. Going
Okay.
to.
In every sentence.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I submit? I have completed my.
Ma'am, I've done.
Have you posted the notice, children?
Yes, ma'am, I've done. I've posted the notice.
No,
too.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I submit the?
I only got Migdad's notice.
Hello?
And please click a close-up picture, children. Very good, Migdad. Amazing. Wrong format. Completely wrong. I'm going to get a 0 for this. So 5 marks gone already.
Ma'am, I have.
This is what happens when we don't pay attention in the class. I think I gave like 3 days or 4 days on notice writing.
Ma'am, submitted.
What, Yash?
Ma'am, done.
Please post it in the class, children. If you don't send me the notice writing, 5 marks are already deducted from your paper, from your CT.
Mom, I forgot. I cannot see the question. I've already submitted that one.
Ayansh, go to the classroom, beta. The question is there.
The question is this. Thank you, ma'am.
The form is there.
Ma'am, in that sentence writing question, is it okay if I write a dialogue in sentence form?
Ma'am, saying you have already
Excuse me, ma'am?
responded. Not showing.
Freya, you can write a dialogue, but it should have going to in it. And it should be talking about that picture also. Huh?
Ma'am, I can't see my questions.
post a picture in the classroom or something? Because I don't know.
Okay, I am posting the question in the
Mama,
chat.
I have posted it in the chat box.
Thank you. I can't.
Ma'am, where we have to write notice?
Ma'am, I don't need
Notebook.
that. Ma'am,
Notebook.
because I had
Notebook.
copy paste in the word.
Very intelligent, Rudra. See, people are so intelligent in my class. Ekansh, Rudra. Ekansh is my assistant. No, I forgot.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to send the picture.
Yeah. Go to the classroom. I posted an assignment, English assessment. Go there and post your this thing, notice. I have received Nishika's and Migdad's notice.
Well, we in the letter notice writing
Ma'am,
we can
even I
add
have
that
sent.
venue and time and that. Ma'am, at the notice writing, can we add like venue? What is the venue and time?
Yeah. Of course. You forgot the 5 W's, no? Migdad?
Ma'am, I have a doubt about notice.
Ma'am?
Like in this question, we could also put, na? Like,
Ma'am, did you call me?
we will give you the further details later.
Yeah, you can write.
Ma'am, I write in the Google form only the notice.
No, I will not check that. I will give you 0.
Ma'am, did you call me?
How will you draw a box on the Google form, Lakshay? How will you draw a box on Google form? Tell me. It is a part of the format, no? That the notice has to be written in a box. Children, I hope you remember that we had discussed how many marks are for which line. 1 mark for heading, half mark for date, half mark for this, half mark for that, right? We had
Ma'am, what is
discussed
the name
format
of the school?
and the distribution of marks as well. Yes, Vivan, tell me. Vivan, why have you raised your hand? You have a question? Yeah, Rudra.
Ma'am, can you say one thing?
Ma'am, what is the name of the school?
So if there is no school name, then you write your own.
Okay.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, can
Nothing,
you
ma'am.
hear
I had the same question about asking for the school. Then I remembered that I'll write now.
me now?
Hemna, tell me.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So I was asking that, can we submit the form?
Yes. Rudra, what's your question? Children, I'm repeating, if you don't submit the notice, you will lose 5 marks.
Ma'am, give us some time. We will not be able to finish it till time.
People have finished already.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
And you still have 7 minutes, 8 minutes with you. 8 plus 10 break time. 18 minutes.
Got my can I submit?
Yes, yes, children, start submitting.
Ma'am, did you get my notice typing one?
Let me check. Yes, Anushka, I've got yours.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dhyan.
ma'am, the last question we have to write in the notebook or we have to write it in the Google form?
When I asked you to stop writing and listen to my instructions, what were you doing, Dhyan? You were still writing?
No, ma'am, I was stopped only.
So you did not listen what I said.
Ma'am, in the letter, I think we can
You
write.
have to wait, Lakshay. Then you have to write it in the notebook, click a picture, and post it in the classroom. I have made an assignment folder for that called
Yes.
English Assessment.
Ma'am, so how can we submit the form? Because
Mark it right there, done, or right there, submitted on that line.
okay.
DONE done. Yes,
Ma'am,
Lakshay, what was your
Ma'am,
question?
ma'am, in the dear children we write, can we write dear friend?
In notice writing?
Yes. Can
Yeah.
we write dear friend?
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm a little problem. Environment Day. So has so if I'm writing this form to 3921 and the fair is being held on the Environment Day, then how will I write? How will I tell that for the Environment Day I cannot write so early?
Ma'am,
What is your question, Ayush? What?
Ma'am, that if it's the fair is held on the Environment Day, so I have to give the date of the meeting near the some day of Environment Day.
Yeah.
Before.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, if I'm writing the form on 3921, which is the date today, so that's why I've written in the date that 3921.
No. You're writing the notice today, right? Okay.
Yes.
So the Environment Day is probably, say, 4 days after today.
ma'am,
So you will call a meeting tomorrow or day after or one day before the Environment Day. It has to be in between today and that date on which you have set up the Environment Day.
ma'am, can we write that this
Environment Day on
notice is for the principal, sir?
Couldn't hear Ekant.
Ma'am, can I write that this notice is by the principal, sir?
This, why will you write that? It is written, your name is written in the notice. Nandita, Rahul. What? Where did principal sir come from? Read the question properly.
Ma'am, so ma'am, if I am writing the notice in the notebook, so can I submit the form?
Yeah. Submit the form. and post the this thing picture in the assignment. All of you, please submit your forms. It's 10:04. And in the notice writing question, you can write done, DONE done, and then submit. Otherwise, it will not allow you to submit.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahil.
ma'am, in 26 question, there is, I'm not understanding.
Number 20.
6.
It is a notice that you have to write on this question, Rahil.
Okay.
And there you will write DONE done and submit the form. Then you will write the notice in the notebook. I have posted the question in the classroom also. Okay. All those who have finished, submitted, can leave and get ready for your next class. Bye.
Ma'am, in my notice, just just 3-4 lines are left in my notice.
So you submit it later, beta. No
Yes.
problem. Take your time.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
only my notice is left, so only my notice left. I have submitted already the form and I am doing the notice.
Okay, bacha. No problem.
So I leave or I stay?
Yeah, leave.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Submit it, but don't forget to submit it. You lose
Bye,
5 marks if you don't submit.
Ma'am, my last few lines of notice is left. Can I do afterwards?
Yeah, bacha.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Lakshay, have you finished, beta?
No.
Okay. Get ready for your next class, children, and submit the notice. Vedi, Ridan, Migdad, Daksh, Karnav. Daksh, will you switch on the camera? Okay, children, bye. I have another class.